Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A, B, C, D. Let's start. Green color, brown color, pink, orange color, sky blue color, black color, pink color, blue color, light pink color, red color, yellow color, violet color, and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.